Security systems provide a peace of mind for you and your family. Hey guys, it's Carmen with DiMaraduro, and our friends from PGST sent out this home security device. Now, before I get into this home security device, I gotta show you. Check this thing out. This is 100% touchscreen. This is just like dealing with any other monthly subscription security system with one major exception. Number one, this has no additional charges. There's no monthly fees. You set this up once, you set it up in your home where you want it, on the doors you want and on the windows you want. You set your motion sensors where you want. You program this to your Wi-Fi. This device has an 8-hour battery backup. It supports everything from 2G up to 6G. This thing is designed to keep you connected no matter what happens. So if the power goes out, your security system is still going to work. You're still going to receive a text notification to let you know that something happened, or you're going to get a phone call letting you know that one of the doors opened. So let's take a look at what is in this box. So come on, let's check it out. All right, here we go. So number one, you have your security alarm user manual. This gives you some pointers on best places to install your security sensors and just motion sensors. Also explains how to install everything step by step. This is very clear cut. Here's your Wi-Fi settings. It's giving you the alarm range, everything from 0 to 99 in 9 seconds. I mean, this is great. You have this wonderful electronic touchscreen, and on the back here, it is supported by a SIM card, and this is Wi-Fi capable, like I was saying earlier. And with the battery backup, you have that peace of mind that you know that this is going to be working no matter what, even if you lose Wi-Fi or power. All right, so let's get into the box itself. So these are all your motion sensor. These are the ones that you're gonna put on windows. You're gonna go ahead and install those on doors, wherever you want. And there's a whole bunch. So you have plenty of items to install. Here is your SOS button. So you're gonna put this in a location. And I do wanna point out that there's also an SOS button on the device itself, so you wouldn't need to post this SOS button near it. And the button adhesive. We have some nice connectors here. These are nice because these are gonna connect to your, oh, that's hardware, your motion sensor. Yeah, these are all our motion sensors. So we got a couple of these in here, which is great. So you can set those up where there's high traffic and you have doors. You also have this alarm, which is going to be very loud, and it will deter anybody who sets the alarm off. There is another motion sensor, and you can see what those look like. It just kind of scans, and if somebody comes in this peripheral of this device, it's going to send your phone a text message notification. Also has these really cool RFIDs, which is nice. So if you decide to set your alarm,
system armed.
Just like that, it's armed.
System disarmed.
It's disarmed because the RFID allows you to do this automatically. So if you put your main controller system somewhere where you exit and enter the house a lot, it's nice to be able to just walk in with your keys
System armed.
and
System disarmed.
arm and disarm systems. But if you want to do even further, check this out. You can use this.
System armed. System disarmed.
I mean, how cool is that, right? I'm not going to hit the SOS button, okay? But it's nice because it has 3 of these remotes.
System armed.
Whoops, hit it again.
System disarmed.
So that way, if you have a family member that comes over to help you out while you're on vacation, and then you and your spouse, or you and a friend, or whomever it may be. And as of course, it has all of the hardware, has some additional fuses, has some additional connections, and look at this, 3 of these RFIDs. So no matter what you do, you're set to go. Remember, one purchase, you get all of this, and there's no additional fees. So if you are looking for a very straightforward security system that you don't have to pay monthly fees, provides a touchscreen, but also still provides 24/7 comprehensive coverage, check out my friends